Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to do a reload with the AR MagLock with the kingpin. It's very simple. All you do is, with your bolt to the rear, after you fired your last round, you press your kingpin. You see the split here, which allows the AR MagLock to go in between the upper and lower, and you insert a fresh 10-round magazine, bolt release, everything goes back normal right where it should be. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to clear a malfunction with the AR MagLock with the kingpin. Here I have a neutered magazine that's now 10 rounds with a dummy round in it and a spent shell casing. I'm going to insert it in the chamber, release the bolt on it. With the Juggernaut, you need to pull the rear pin and then the front and take the whole weapon apart. This is where it gets complicated with this, guys. You pull your charging handle to the rear, lock your bolt, hit your kingpin. You see this small split. It allows you to release the magazine. And now you treat it like any other malfunction. That's it, guys. And now you put fresh magazine back into operation. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to remove the kingpin. All you do is you push it in, you turn it, you see how the gate's to the open side, and all you do is you pull it all the way out. That's it. Now your upper and lower is free. No tools, no pin going everywhere. Simplest thing. It's one piece. To reinstall, I like it because it's toolless. All you do is put the pin back in. You see how it has this long pin? All you do is you can either drag your nail across it or any object, push it in, rotate the kingpin, and now you're back in a normal operation.